Okay, today we are going to learn how to simplify exponent. Before we do some example, we are going to learn about rules of exponent. So right here, it looks hard, but it's going to be not that bad, I promise. So first of all, for number 1, we have base of A. A is just a number, and M and N is also a number. So we have the same base of A, but we have different exponent. This one is an M and this one is N, and we are multiplying. But in exponent, when you are multiplying exponent, you are really just adding. So we're gonna keep the same base A, and we're just gonna do M plus N, and that's it. Now on to number 2. We have the same base A again, but now we are dividing. So when we are dividing with different exponent, we're really just subtracting. So we're gonna keep the same base A again, and we're just going to do M minus N. And so now let's move on to 3. We have parentheses of A to the M, close parentheses to the exponent N. So right here, we have parentheses. We're still gonna keep our base A, and we're just gonna multiply the M and the N together. And that's it. So let's do some example. So here is our example. We have 3 examples. So let's start off with the first one. The first one, we have the base 7. Notice how we have the same base here, but just different exponent. This one is a 3 and this one is a 5. So we're still gonna keep the same base 7, and we're just gonna do 3 plus 5. Reminding you, we still have the same base 7, and we do 3 plus 5, that's 8. And this is our answer. Now let's move on to this one. So same base of 8, we're just dividing the exponent. This one is a 10 and this one is a 4. And if you look back at our note on rule number 2, right here, when we are dividing exponent, we're really subtracting. So we're gonna keep the same base 8, and we do 10 minus 4. And that is 6. And this is our answer. Keep in mind that we still have the same base. Now, let's move on to number 3. We have 10 to the exponent of 2, close parenthesis to the exponent of 7. We're still gonna have the base 10, and now we're just gonna multiply the 2 exponents together. We're gonna do 2 times 7, and so that is 14, and this is our answer. So let's try to do this. Now go ahead and try to do this example by yourself, or at least set it up. Okay, I have set mine up. So I have the same base again, base 3. I'm just multiplying the exponent. I'm multiplying 2 and the 7. So when I am multiplying exponent, I'm really adding. So this is gonna give us 3 to the power of 9. Now on number 2, when we are dividing exponent, we're really subtracting. So right here, same base, still same base 2, and 5 minus 3, That's 2. And our answer is 2 to the power of 2. Now for this one, base 5, we are just gonna, since there's the parenthesis and we have different exponent, we're just gonna multiply them. So same base 5, 10 times 7, 70, and that is our answer. Hopefully this isn't too bad and the rule helped you out. So now, this one, I want you to think about it. You don't have to solve it, just think about it, just tell me what you think. So right here, how would you simplify this equation? So we have 3 to the power of 7 multiply by 4 to the power of 7. And keep in mind that we have different base here, but this time we have the same exponent. As before, like the few example that we just did, we have the same base but different exponent. So now I want you to think about this problem and let me know.